Step one, you say we need to talk. He walks, you say sit down, it's just talk. He smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on through some sort of window to your right. As he goes left and you stay right. Between the lines, fear and blame, you begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere alone in the bitterness, and I put out straight up with you all night. And I don't know how to say goodnight. Let him know that you know best, 'cause after all you do know best. Try to slip past his defense without granting